Hey guys, so I've been kind of slow the past little while. There's been a lot of lulls between customers and some days with no customers. The weather's been kind of goofy. It's been rainy and cool and such. So I've been trying to make use of my time. Got a workshop area in the back that's become a catch-all area of stuff. Kind of the one area that kind of gets out of hand with the ADHD, of course. The cleaning and organizing kind of falls by the wayside at times when you don't feel like doing it. So I decided that I've got to tie into this mess. Got shelves of stuff that I've got to sort properly and get organized. My scrap area over there is basically organized, but I do need to haul some to Winnipeg and get rid of it, get it sold. But anyway, I've got stuff kicking around, and I've got surplus of stuff, surplus things that I really don't need. I realized I've got 3 freaking vacuum cleaners, or 3 shop vacs here. I've got 2 here and another one out in the hall. Plywood and stuff left over from renos and such. And I've been finding surplus things I just don't need. I found a radiant heater, which I don't really need anymore. I found various things. There's a lamp thing I had planned to make a lamp out of. That's for a HID light. What are they called? Anyway, halogen probably of some kind for industrial purposes. And I don't need it. It's new old stock, so I figured, well, I'll sell it. And just trying to turn some of this stuff into cash rather than it kicking around here and just taking up space. So one of the things I posted was this roll of wire. Now, it's no good to me. It's a specialty type wire, and there's a whole roll of it, whole whack of it here, and I really don't need it. So I put it up. I looked online to see what kind of pricing it was. Couldn't find too much about it. Just general spools of wire being $150, $200. So I thought, if I got $50 for that, I'd happily sell it. So that's what I did. I advertised it for $50, and lo and behold, somebody's coming to pick it up tomorrow. So $50 in my pocket for wire that's been kicking around that I wouldn't get a lot of money for stripped, because it's a fine wire multi-strand, so not much good for scrap wise, because I'd probably have to scrap it just as coated wire. So anyway, it's not terribly heavy. It's heavy enough. You can lift it with one hand, but it's still, you get a workout. But really don't need it, so it's gone. $50 in my pocket for a spool of wire that probably cost me next to nothing. You bought it in an auction lot or something, more than likely. I had tons of different wires and cable and such at my old place that I left behind. Yeah, it really makes me think and wonder what I left money-wise back there. But anyway, that's all gone, so can't do much about it. But anyway, so trying to clean up. This pile went down quite a bit. It was up to here. So cleaned it up, got rid of stuff. Some insulation that had been kicking around and such, and I store boxes in this corner, so I got rid of some boxes. And so anyway, just a recommendation, I guess, is what this video is about. Liquidate stuff you're not using. I haven't used some of the stuff I was getting rid of that I listed on Marketplace. Some of it I haven't used or even looked at or wondered about for 5 years. So time for it to go. Got a lot of small stuff that I'll probably do the same with. I just don't have use for certain things. I've got 3 circular saws. Do I need 3 circular saws? I like to have 2 around because if one cacks out, then I've got a spare, but I really don't technically need 3. And one is new old stock, so it's like, well, which one do I get rid of? Probably one of the used ones, I guess. But, yeah. And light bulbs. I've got crates of light bulbs. And of course, I don't use regular incandescent light bulbs now except for some vintage lamps. So I still got to keep light bulbs around, unfortunately. But anyway, I got lots of crap that I've got to get rid of. Yikes. But, yeah, organizing's not my strong suit when I don't feel like doing it. I can organize somebody else's place, no problem. When it comes to my own, and I don't want to do it, it's tough. With the shop, I can do it, no problem. I can organize and such, but when it's not something I'm interested in, it's tough. That's just the way ADHD works. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Listen to me babble. Let me know what projects you've got ongoing in cleaning up stuff, organizing and liquidating and making money from that dreck that's kicking around that you didn't expect was worth anything. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe and check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, scrapping, etc. Thanks, folks. Take care.